Carl here, same as Mickey, down here on the river. Already caught one sucker fish, so hopefully it'll still turn up and get a couple more. Just show you the conditions we're out here fishing in. Pretty much full on whiteout. But it's no reason to stop fishing. Got ourselves a nice little fire set up here, so just nice. Kick back and relax and hopefully catch a couple more fish. Look at dog. Same time. Can you grab pliers?
Yeah, I got everything. We got another sucker. Carl's second sucker of the season.
Hey dog.
Yeah.
Here, I got it.
You want a glove or no?
It's on the worm.
You want a proper glove, Carl?
No.
I think this is the same sucker Carl got before.
Come on, buddy, I got you.
So.
Go! Come on!
You want to measure?
This one's a little bit smaller. It's not as big.
Yeah.
Still, it's a beautiful little fish.
So, you can fish in a frickin' snowstorm.
Yep. Let them go. All three, friend.
Very cool. Give the
Ooh.
And then we got a doggo friend here too. What do you think? That a nice sucker, pup?
Had to get some firewood. Take a look around here. So you got stuff like this, which wouldn't be bad to pull off. But yet again, you gotta be careful. Don't have to try and pull too big a wood too far. This looks good. This tree's been down. I'm gonna work on hacking at it. See what I can do. Alright, there we go. See what I can do. Just a bit. Trying to get these twigs out of here. Alright. Well, it looks like we're running out of daylight, so we're pretty much going to be wrapping it up here. Thanks for watching today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any video ideas for the future, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great night. I thought we were done, folks, but look, we picked one up last minute. Oh, it's biting.
What is it?
See what we got?
It's a little walleye. Nope, tight. Nope, walleye.
It's all good.
Nice walleye.
Come on, buddy. Get up here. Let's see. Need the pliers. There we are. Got a nice little fish. Alright. Get a nice little clip. Final shot there. Probably sitting about 15, 16 inches. Not a bad little fish.
Good eater.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos, make sure to put them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great night.
Snowstorm fishing.
Damn.